Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Fluent Search on your computer. So for downloading this, press on Window key and then open Microsoft Store. And here on the Microsoft Store, on the search bar, search here Fluent Search. So now here you can see Fluent Search is showing. Now click on Get to download this Fluent Search. So by using this Fluent Search, you can fluently search or can say search everything on your computer. So just wait to download this. This will take a few seconds according to your internet speed. So this will of 72 MBs. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.